Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the MCJ MANUU digital production platform. I am Lubna from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Maulana Azad National Urdu University. Today I would like to speak about Kerala Piravi, which is celebrated as the Formation Day of Kerala. Kerala Piravi is observed on November 1st every year. On this day in 1956, the state of Kerala, it was officially formed by merging different regions where the Malayalam language was spoken. Before 1956, these areas were ruled separately, but after India's independence, there was a need to reorganize states based on language. As a result, Malayalam speaking people were united into one state which became Kerala. This day is known as Kerala Piravi, meaning the birth of Kerala. Kerala Piravi is celebrated with great pride and joy. Schools, colleges, and cultural institutions organize special programs including speeches, dances, songs, and competitions. People wear traditional dresses and showcase Kerala's rich cultural and heritage. The day reminds us of Kerala's unity, diversity, and cultural richness. Kerala is known for its high literacy rate, beautiful landscapes, and strong traditional in art, literature, and festivals. Kerala Piravi is not just a celebration of the state formation, but also a reminder of unity, identity, and cultural pride. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.